Hi, I'm Alia. So today's video was a requested video. Someone said if we can go through declensions of personal pronouns and how they change their form or how the word changes based on the case. And this is what we're doing today for the personal there we go, personal pronoun jas, so I or me in English. And since today I'm at home, anyway, I'm always at home because now I'm working from home, but today is a national holiday, Dan upora proti okupatorju, so the day of uprising against occupation. And I thought that for our background, for this video, we could use Triglav. So Triglav is Slovenia's highest mountain. If I'm not mistaken, it's tall or high, 2,864 meters. Yeah, there we go. And I've actually never been to Triglav. We have a saying that once you go to Triglav, you are a Slovene. So I guess I'm not a Slovene yet, but hopefully this year I'm gonna go and visit Triglav. Yeah, let's put it like that. All right, so now I'm just preparing a little box where we are going to write all the declensions. So for the personal pronoun jas. So we will begin with the first case, which is imenovalnik. And I am just going to write now jas. Okay, so jas is me or I in English. All right, and for each we are going to do some examples. So I can say jas sem, it means I am. Jas sem Alia. All right, so I am Alia. You can just switch Alia with your name. So you can even say, jas sem Katja, I am Katja, or whatever your name might be. All right, and we can also say, jas sem študent, so I'm a student. Okay, if it's a boy saying, but if it's a girl saying, I actually would say, jas sem študentka. Okay, so jas sem študentka, I am a girl student. All right, awesome. So now let's just delete this. And we will go to the second case, so rodilnik. So in the second case, we say koga ali česa ni, right? Who or what is not. And this would be mene, the longer version, or me. All right. So mene you use when you really want to stress it's me, that's, let's say, not there. Okay. But me is just a shorter version. So if you see these two words, the meaning is pretty much the same. Just that you are trying to put stress or what's more important in the sentence. You just put more stress on what you find important in a sentence. All right, and now let's give some examples. Okay. And I am writing mene ni doma. It means I am not at home. Okay, so do you see before jas is now mene. Okay, so in the second case, jas goes to mene. So mene ni doma, I'm not at home. But if I say ni me doma, means the same thing. It's just that I'm not putting so much stress on it's me who's not home. Not you, not Maya or someone else, So, mene ni doma, I'm not at home. Ni me doma, I'm not at home. Okay? Awesome. All right, then now let's continue with the third case. So, third case is dajalnik. So, we give something. Komu ali čemu dam? To who or to what do I give? All right. And this would be meni or me. Okay, so for personal pronoun, yes? Many or me. It kind of switches form, or actually the word is completely different. And again, many, the longer version, is just more stress on many, so it's not who is giving what, but to me. Okay, so let's say, meni daj to. So to me, give this to me. Okay, so to me. This is what's important here, not so much to or daj. Okay, so meni daj to. So give this to me. Daj mi to. Give me this, but again, give this to me. But I feel like if we put it in English, it's just better if we say, give me this. Okay, awesome. Now, okay, I'm deleting it. And now let's go to the fourth case. Okay, so tožilnik. Koga ali kaj vidim, right? Who or what do I see? This is the question which we use for the fourth case. All right, mene or me. Okay. All right, I think it's the same as in the second case. Okay, so now let's give some examples. Ali ona mene vidi? Does she see me? Or I can say, ali ona mene sliši? Does she hear me? Okay, so vidi means to see. Ali ona mene vidi? Does she see me? Okay, so here again, we are putting more stress on mene. Of course, you can even say ali ona mene vidi, not putting so much, let's say, emotion and stress. That's okay, but just to hopefully make it easier for you to understand, if you use and when you use the longer form, you tend to be stressing more on the personal pronoun. So now we're talking about jaz, so we are stressing on me, or I. Okay, and the shorter version would be ali me ona vidi, does she see me? This is very, I would say, neutral sentence or a question. Ali me ona vidi, ali me ona sliši, does she hear me? Okay, so this would be using the shorter form. All right, we're already at the fifth case. So fifth case is mestnik, and I think that mestnik is very easy to spot, let's say, just because we have this o in front, right? So o means about, o meni, about me. All right, awesome. So we can say an example would be ali so govorili, were they speaking? And I'm sure you know what's coming, right? Ali so govorili o meni. Were they speaking about me? Were they talking about me? Okay, so one more time. Ali so govorili o meni. Were they speaking about me? So now jaz went to o meni. Okay, awesome. And now we are already at the last case. So the sixth case, which is orodnik. And this would be z mano. So z mano, when you see this z, you just stick it to the word that's following. Okay, so to sound very natural. So z mano, with me. Or more, I think more traditional, I don't hear so many people use this one, z menoj. Okay, to me it sounds very sweet if someone says menoj. All right, so z mano or z menoj is the sixth case. Okay, and now let's check how the examples would be. I'll actually have to make it, the box a bit bigger, because I tried writing it and it just wouldn't fit, because I prepared, let's say, a longer sentence for us to use here. And yeah, now I am writing. All right, so včeraj. So what means včeraj? It means yesterday. Včeraj je šla. So yesterday she went. Včeraj je šla Nastja. So Nastya is my best friend's name. So Nastya is a girl's name. Včeraj je šla Nastja z mano, with me, na sprehod. So what does this mean? Yesterday, Nastya went for a walk with me. Or Nastya went on a walk with me. Okay, so jaz is now z mano. Okay, so one more time. Z mano is the sixth case. All right, so this is it for this video. I'm just going to remove all the text. And as you'll see, the little O that I couldn't really delete properly, I'll just make a markacija out of it. So markacija is, if you go into the mountains, if you go hiking, you will see this pretty much everywhere in Slovenia. So what this means is just that you know in which direction to go, that you don't get lost. Yeah, so I mean, I sort of still get lost, but anyway, yeah. Okay, so hvala for watching. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I really hope that you like this style of video and that you learned something new. I really enjoyed making it, so it's a bit different, I hope, I guess. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Hvala for watching again. Ciao, ciao!